Hey, what's up, guys? Just a little update. Oh, Justin down. There we go. I went out and bought a Harbor Freight 44-inch for like 340 plus tax. The little 5-drawer sold to another tech. So here we go. Finally bought a good ratchet.
We're usually going to data stream first, but this one, let's just
really like this ratchet.
I've never.
So just my 3/8 impact, impact driver with a 1/4-inch adapter, gloves, whipboard, pins, pocket screwdrivers, picks, extensions, Harbor Freight 3/8, Harbor Freight 1/4, old Craftsman 1/4, tunnel, gum, thread locker, change, extension, car bars,
I don't think that is anything to do with the car.
1/2-inch breaker, a really long 3/8 extension with a swivel, knife, torque sticks, 3/8 swivels. Got some E-torques, E4 through E18. Then I got these other holders. 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch. My rounded bolt removers.
We're going to click on these again. I don't expect that we're going to have any support from it, but we'll see.
Brake feeler gauges to hold the struts on hoods and trunks and all that good stuff so they don't fall on you when they don't work.
Right now, it's been my experience, and I've played with my own car with other skate tools before that are actually
got some stickers. I need some more.
So, what do you guys talk about?
Then Blue Point blowgun, AutoZone disc brake spreader, big C clamp just in case. The pipe tape sealant. I actually found this little guy inside the bumper of a Malibu. Couple of extra air fittings, mirror, another door panel tool, mag can cleaner. Let's look over here. Little screwdrivers, razor scrapers, thread locker, master fuel line, AC disconnect. Blue Point overpaid for that, but it happens. Gear wrench, ratcheting wrenches, 6 through 18 and 1/4 through 3/4. Couple other random wrenches. Channel locks, needle nose, cheap dikes, test light. This little guy. Has alligator clips. Old Cornwell light that I have no idea why it does not work. Diesel fuel filter cap wrenches. Mini sledge and water pump pulley holder and a couple of wrenches. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. Empty drawer. A bunch of random recall paperwork for recalls. Rags, WD-40, my torque wrenches. Matco coolant pressure tester. This is really just a random drawer. Toyota filter cup, just in case. We've had a few of them. I have no idea what this little deal is, but I found it. So, it's in here. Matco catalog, Snap-on catalog. That's it. So I don't have a junk drawer. Oh. And Blue Point air gauge. That about wraps it up, guys. Thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Both these scan tools that I received
Justin Dow. I will probably be sending you some plates pretty soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching.